Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. In this video, we're going to answer a simple but important question. How many BTUs does a 3-ton air conditioning unit produce in one day? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Know the basics. First, remember this key fact. 1 ton of refrigeration equals 12,000 BTUs per hour. So if you have a 3-ton unit, just multiply. 3 times 12,000 equals 36,000 BTUs per hour. That's how much cooling power your unit provides every hour. Step 2. Convert to daily output next. To find out how much cooling it delivers in a full day, multiply by 24 hours. 36,000 times 24 equals 864,000 BTUs per day. So a 3-ton AC unit, running at full capacity for 24 hours, removes 864,000 BTUs of heat. Final recap. 1 ton equals 12,000 BTU, 3 tons equals 36,000 BTU, 36,000 x 24 equals 864,000 BTUs per day. That's how much heat your 3-ton AC unit can pull from your home in one full day, if it's operating non-stop. Want to keep learning? Grab the HVAC book, check out the website, and hit subscribe for more lessons. HVAC book, MarylandHVACRepair.com at Maryland HVAC Repair.